Rita! Rita! Come and sit down. I said come and sit down.
Sit down for what now?
Sit down. Take this money.
Don't send me on any errand. I'm tired.
I am not sending you on an errand. Take. It's for you. Take now.
How?
Use this money to buy a dress for yourself. As another brother and the man of the house, it's my duty to take care of you. I know you are broke, and that's your so-called what's his name again? Tasha. I know he's been more broke. So buy a new dress for yourself and get ready, because our in-law is coming to take you for a visit, a royal visit. What's funny?
Wait, no. As the royal spokesperson that you are now.
Because he has been calling you online now. So he doesn't know you don't have a phone. Yes, now. Because that your church rat Charles have sold your phone to buy food for himself. Come on, Nojirego. He doesn't have anything.
One, I do not insult you, so please don't insult my church and calling him church rat or Richard. Stop it. I don't like it. And two, stop collecting money from Don on my behalf. Stop it. Stop it. I don't need this money. I don't want it. Stop it. I don't want it. I don't want it.
You must want to take this money.
I don't want this money. I don't want it. What is it?
Nigga, come on. Nigga, please. You must want this money. You must want it.
Baby more. You're looking good. Come. Don't take your money. You can keep the change, yeah? Baby, I'm not a format. It's okay. Let's go inside. What up, Mama? Okay. Yeah, come, let's go inside. It's okay, I'll help you watch the light. Okay, leave this. Mommy, I want to say I'm so sorry for everything. Yeah, I came with my friend Victor to make my intentions known to the family about marrying your daughter Rita. Yes, I want to tell you that Rita is the only woman in my life. Yes, and without her in my life, this life will be miserable. So I've come to make my intentions known.
Omaka.
Well, I'm glad you've come to make your intentions known, but you know I'm a woman. Yes, you're supposed to talk to the man of the family, and the man of the family happens to be Osita Nwan. Yes, because if I Nachime is against tradition or Dabaro, So you need to speak to
I called him and told him that I'll be coming. And I even told him that I discussed...
It doesn't matter if you called him and told him. And the important thing is that he's not here. So you have to, make it up to him and maybe come back next time or go and find him wherever he is.
Yes. I even brought this.
Yeah.
It's for you guys.
All right, don't say that, all right? You came to my house to see me. You want to marry Rita. But as long as I'm her mother, Ibutifa, it's meant for the mother. Except when the son is here, that's the father of the house, then it's a different ballgame. And one thing you need to understand, but now when your farm produces two tubers of yam, you got harvest here with joy. You got to go blessing, cowboy. If my daughter brings double blessing, you got to go omaka. By the way, Mother Katagaro, so I've been a widow for long. Yeah. So it gives me the audacity to speak like a man.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Victor, I'm calling your food canvas. On alone at the same factory. Anyway, it doesn't really matter.
It's okay, man. Thank you so much. Rita,
Rita cannot go anywhere. If I can't know them, never any Rita. So you can leave now. Alright? Well, Victor. Factory canvas on Amaka.
Okay, we're going now, eh?
You see anything? Alright.
Mommy, God.
Be careful, mommy. God in now. Oh, this is actually
Oko. Why? Why did you let that idiot into this house? And he even gave you all these gifts. Why?
But what was I supposed to do? Was I supposed to chase him out with a knife or a machete?
Mama, what if Don sees these things and gets angry and even changes his mind towards us? Eh? Why are you encouraging him?
I was encouraging him. I was even going to tell him to come and see you as the man of the house.
Mama, what you should have done is to tell him to consult me. Tell him to come and see me as the man of the house.
I told him to see you as the man of the house. But he insisted that these items are specifically for me. That he doesn't need to consult you before giving them to
you. When Alea?
When alone?
Okay. You don't need it.
Why?
Because Don can give you trailer loads of gifts if you want. So you don't need these things.
But, Chalo, can I take the...
Take Guinea.
There's something inside. Just one.
You don't need them.
Where are you taking it to?
Kaifunampamad.
Nada.
Kaifunampamad.
Nada.
Charles! Charles! Where is this guy? Charles! Where? Now come outside here.
Okay, have fun now. Come in now.
Okay, carry this thing. Carry this thing now.
What is going on?
Take these things and give to that your wretched mother. We don't need it.
Hi, Osi, what is going on? I thought we were friends. We are more than this now.
Okay, we're not friends. And we're not even more than anything. Listen, Don dey game now. Don is my friend. Do you understand? And I don't want to see you anywhere around my sister or my house or even my mother. I don't want you.
Has he gotten to this?
Listen, I don't want you. I don't want you.
Though we go through pains, though we go through trials, and so many hurdles, but love conquers all.
Osi, welcome here. Osi, my man.
What are you doing here?
I came to take my fiancée out for dinner.
Who is your fiancée?
Rita, of course, your sister.
Did they send you to come and destroy my sister's life?
No.
Eh?
Why? Why?
Please go.
Osi, come on, stop this now. Stop this.
I said you should go.
Why? What's going on?
Because Rita has made her choice. And you are not that choice. So just go. Get out.
Osi.
I'll blow you.
One more.
I said go now.
Hey. Osi.
Oh, leave here. Come on, leave here.
Brother O! Chacha! Brother O!
Come on.
Chacha!
What's wrong with you? Where are you going to? Eh? Where are you going to? See,
Chacha!
If I hear that Chacha to Mama again, it's what I will do to you. Now get inside. Get inside! See, come on.
Osi, stop this now. Stop! Like him and
So you're still here.
My boss sent me to pick up your sister.
Okay. But
is there any problem?
No, there is no problem. There is no problem at all. Let me go and talk to her.
Please do so.
I feel alone in this world. Which way to go? Nobody wants to listen to me, but the voice of my heart. Which way to go? That's the question I'm asking. Should I go for love or for the money? Should I please myself or family? Alone in this world, which way to go? Nobody wants to listen to me, but the voice of my heart.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I must say that you're a beautiful woman.
Thank you.
It's fine. Come inside.
I found an angel, my type of woman. Please come to daddy. I'm waiting for you. For a long time, I am searching for you. And now I found you. Nobody can take you away from me. I must make you mine. Hey.
You know, I'm really excited to have you here. Your presence here lights up my spirit.
Thank you.
You know, growing up, I never really believed in love. I thought that all a man had to do was make money, be successful, and you know, just pick on the next available beautiful woman that he sees, make her his wife, have kids with her, and then they live happily ever after. But you see, with time and exposure, I have come to realize that it's not necessarily true. For I tried it, it didn't work. So I stopped. But then I started to pray. Started praying, asking God to bring me a woman that I'll call my misery. One who would keep me awake all night with thoughts of her on my mind. And then you showed up. Rita, you are my answered prayers. You don't know how deeply I feel for you. But I am confident that in time, you will know. Once again, I am happy that you're here. Huh? Your drink. Come on, go ahead. Your drink.
I don't take alcohol.
What? Say that again.
I don't take alcoholic drinks. I'm sorry.
I found an angel, my type of woman. Please come to Daddy. I'm waiting for you. For a long time, I am searching for you. And now I found you. Nobody can take you away from me. I must make you mine. Hey, no matter what it takes. Oh yeah, I must make you mine. Hey, no matter what it takes. Oh yeah, it is an endless proposal. I'll keep on proposing until you say yes to me, until you come home with me. You're my woman, and I swear to God that is final. The love I have for you, it know no bound. Baby, take my hand and be my wife. I must make you mine. Hey, no matter what it takes. Oh yeah, I must make you mine. Hey, no matter what it takes. Oh yeah, it is an endless proposal. I'll keep on proposing until you say yes to me, until you come home with me. You're my woman, and I swear to God that is final. The love I have for you is no bound. Baby, take my hand and be my wife.
I want you. Rita. I want you so much. See this mansion? Everything, all of this can be yours if you agree to marry me. My business enterprise, everything, I'm willing to give to you. If you just agree to be my wife, I am going to throw you the biggest wedding that this town has ever witnessed. I have what it takes to make that happen. For I want you, Rita. Is everything okay? You seem a bit uncomfortable. Am I forcing you to marry me? Because I do not want you to say yes to my proposal out of intimidation. No, I'd like for you to accept to marry me. From your heart. Rita. Come on. Your silence is loud. I'd like for you to say something. Please. I want to hear you talk. Speak.
I appreciate you so much for everything you've done for myself and my family. But everything is just moving too fast. I was hoping that you give me some time to think about it. You know, I'm already in a relationship and
we agreed never to bring that up again. Huh? Come on, Rita. Wake up. Life is about constant advancement. You thought in your head that you were in love with your small-time boyfriend because you did not know any better. But now you're a bit exposed. You have seen me, and I'm here with you. I'm here for you. I'm all for the taking, baby. Think about the good life. Think about the man that I can be for you. Think about your family. I am going to better their lot. I am going to give them a good life. Put clothes on their back, good food on their table. Take them out of that shack where they live and put them in a mansion. Like where you're standing right now. I can make all of that happen. Just accept to be my woman. From the bottom of your heart.
It's not easy. It's not easy. I mean, it's easier said than done, but it's not easy.
I hope you know that it's not every relationship that ends up in marriage. You don't have all the time in the world to be confused. You're a queen, Rita. Stand up straight, like the queen that you are. It's okay. I think that we have talked enough for one day. Huh? Then I said,
I found an angel, my type of woman. Please come to daddy.
I told you. I mean, your visit was a success. Anna.
This one, yeah. Two of you are laughing.
Hey,
again.
Well, go say
they're
this.
smiling.
You are smiling. She, visited, Now she knows the difference between O and K.
What I go?
Hey! He can't follow. You see all the good things he bought for her. Phone of the beer.
Wow.
Wristwatch. Bottles of perfume. Clothes. Name them now.
I'm not good. Don't tell him anything. I'm not telling him anything.
I shouldn't.
Don't tell him.
But
I kept some aside for
you.
you.
Give me something. But you know the one I like.
Go in there and bring these things for me.
I'm not bringing anything for you. There's nothing for you.
Leave that matter. You're acting like we don't know that you're enjoying by the side.
Mama, I'm not enjoying anything.
Yes.
We know you're enjoying as the man of the house.
It's not for backyard affairs.
All these things are nothing to compare with all these things he bought for her.
Women are the salt of the earth. One name. Over there. I ain't to see them enjoy.
That chain.
Okay. Hey, this is Chief Dr. Don Odunze. Yes.
I feel alone in this world. Which way to go? Nobody wants to listen to me. voice of my heart. We try to
I'm giving you this phone because we are beginning to behave like the sister I know. I know you don't need it anymore, but it's your property, so you need it.
I still need my phone.
So you won't thank me?
Thank you. So if I give you thank you, you will collect. After you finish making my life miserable, you made my life a living hell on earth.
Ne, it's for your own good. You know you are my only sister and I want the best for you. I want everything good for you. Wait though, I have not seen any ring on your finger. Has he not proposed? Why are you quiet? What happened?
He said that he will give me more time to think about it.
That's a lie. Yes. That's a very big lie. Just tell me he proposed and you told him you needed more time to think about it. What do you need time for? What? So all these things I've been saying about this matter, you still have the guts to talk about time? Huh? What is wrong with you now? What is all this nonsense for? Time, Adro, there's no time again. You don't have time.
Brother O.
Sister Aru.
I want to settle things with my cha-cha.
You want to do what? Settle what? With that idiot? As your father or your God, what are you mad? Wait, do you like the suffering we're suffering in this house? Eh? Do you like all these things that we are passing through in this house? Especially me. What is wrong with you?
You don't understand. You don't understand these things. These things, they're just hard.
My friend, shut
like
up!
This.
Shut up! You don't understand these things. You are talking to a baby. Yeah, I'm a baby now. If you go mugu, like I don't know things about a man and a woman. Eh? Because you have one idiot there watching you. On that side, see. Eh? What's about it? Don't worry. I'm on a chance. No problem.
I feel alone in this world. Which way to go? Nobody wants to listen to me or the voice of my heart. Which way to go? Which way to go? Does the grace turn from us? Should I go for love? Should I please myself?
Yes. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I will come and I'll come and see you tomorrow. No. My brother is packing. Mama is packing. There's high tension in this house. Finally! Can you imagine that my brother gave me my phone back? Yes. He gave me. There's too much tension in this house. And again, that man, he saw that the man did not give me engagement ring, so he's angry. His brain is just catching fire. His head is in flames. I feel like he will hurt you. He can hurt you. So, I don't know. But I know I will come and see you around 12. Around 12. No. Not in the morning, sorry. He's not going to work anymore now. No more keke business. No, it does not. No keke business again. So many problems. That's why. Even me too. I'm so tired. I'm worried. I'm frustrated. I love you. Yes. I love you. I love you more than anything on this planet. Yes. Just be careful.
I feel alone in this world. Which way to go? Nobody wants to listen to me. But the voice of my heart. Which way to go?
I'm coming from you people's shop. I met with your sister, so I've dropped the money with her.
Okay. I hope the money is complete though.
Of course, it's not 6K.
Okay. Yeah, 6K. This evening I'm going to bring the carton of noodles for you. So
Okay.
I don't know if you.
It's okay.
Be around.
Please add it 1 crate of egg.
Okay, I will. No problem. I will.
Bye.
All right.
Get.
See, if you do anyhow, you go see anyhow. Massa Agisi, are you getting me? See, this is reason. Massa Agisi will kill you and feed your body to the best of the air. My name na Django. I know they play gamble.
You've heard him right. You don't have any intention of hurting you, only if you cooperate with us and do not misbehave. Okay? But no Mary, see bad you see.
Hey, you're I can take this now from my face. Hey, come. You can be insulting you. The hand in my work at the tea. You're warning me. Eat!
No, Richard, what's wrong? Just hope he's okay.
Richard, why are you outside? Where's Charles?
He's not around.
Where is he? I'm calling his number, but it's not going through.
I actually spoke with him this morning and I told him I was coming to spend a week with him. He said he was going to be around till in the evening. And then I've been here, I've been calling his number, it's not going through.
That is strange. That's very strange. I mean, his two numbers are about...
You've not spoken with him today?
No, I haven't. They're not reachable.
Just hope nothing is wrong with him.
It's very strange.
I even thought he was the one calling me. I met the woman that sells provision down there. She says she saw him in the morning, that he came to buy bread. And ever since then, she has not seen him.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Which of them? Which of them?
The first provision store there, before the end of the street.
Yes. Come inside.
Please, once you just get outside, by your right. Please. Just so nothing is wrong behind me.
What are you going to do now? It's getting late already.
I really don't know. I don't know what to do.
Because I have a very strong feeling that something is wrong with Charles.
Oh, God forbid. There's nothing wrong with him. Don't worry, he's fine wherever he is.
That's okay. And from what you told me, your parents' place, is it not far?
It's quite far.
And it's getting late. Okay, let me think. There's a friend's place. I mean, it's quite safe, so I'll take you there. You can stay there for the night, then tomorrow. Okay. I would have taken you to my place, but there's a lot of tension there, so yeah.
Thank you very much. God bless you for me.
It's getting late.
Yanne, what is your problem? This minute you're happy and excited, the next minute you're sad, moody and crying again. For in my split personality problem, no, tell me which one it is. I have reference that can play those things out of you. Okay?
Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone.
It's not getting.
Leave me alone.
Leave you alone.
Leave me alone.
Leave you alone. Leave you alone. Leave you alone. That's what all you young girls say these days. Instead of you people to confide in your mothers so they can help you sort out your problem, when I'm not late, leave me alone. Then some of you end up committing suicide. And if you go with this your stupid secrets, I will not take. I will not take it. Why can't you confide in your mother? Eh? Can you fall?
Nothing. You know what? Let me even be honest. Yes, there is something, but I don't want to talk about it. But if there is something you want me to help you do, arrange or organize, just tell me. I will do it. But about this matter, I will talk about it when I'm ready to talk about it. I will not talk about it if I'm not ready to talk about it. Until I am ready to talk about it.
My friend, shut up! Whether you want to talk about it or not. No, Onny Micheal! What's it I talk about? I don't talk about. Oh no, but if I now for information, I was looking for you to do something for me, but that has been overtaken by events. I need you to get to Mama Ngozi's shop and notice that there's no Gary. Buy a mudu of Gary. By Saturday, I'll go and buy a bag.
But I gave you money to buy a bag of Gary.
So what if you gave me money? Or second later, so what? Are there not other things that will be done in the house? My friend, go and buy Gary. Or say I gave you money.
I feel alone in this world. Which way to go? Nobody wants to listen to me.
My man, check my Gary on our mother. Money. They don't know. A child can't confide in her mother. How do I help her sort her problem?
Should I please myself?
Eh?
First lady, what's up now? Have you activated your new phone? Yes, your new phone. You know when a man buys something like clothes and phone, you wear it and show him how or what it looks like. Have you called him? Why this one you're looking at me this way? Is there anything wrong to call you for a first lady? I don't understand. Why are you looking at me this way now? Is it wrong to call you a first lady? Are you
Charles.
What is wrong with you? Are you mad?
If you don't tell me what you did to Charles today, you and I will die here today.
Leave me now. I said leave me.
You will see something today if you don't tell me what you and your child did to Charles today.
But I didn't do anything to him now. What's the problem? Eh? Rita.
You die here today.
Rita.
You will die here.
Come and hold your daughter.
You will kill me here today. Why you're not what No, leave me. You will kill me.
Mama.
You will kill me here today.
Hold your daughter. Mama, is you I'm respecting?
It's okay. What? No. What is it? What is it?
Mama, I don't know what she's talking about. I swear on my late twin brother's grave, I don't know what she's talking about.
Osita threatened Charles yesterday, and now Charles is nowhere to be found. Charles is missing. I went to see Charles by 12 noon. Even his cousin that came to see him, she's stranded. She called him this morning, and he told her yes, he will be around. And now Charles is nowhere to be found.
Mama, I don't know what she's talking about.
Mama,
I don't know what she's talking about.
Osita does not tell me where Charles is. I will call the police. They will arrest him. They will beat him up. They will bury him. I swear it. Now, swearing. I swear it.
Mama, I don't know what this girl's talking about. I don't know what she's talking about. Was it not around 11 a.m. I left this house?
Yes.
Was it?
Listen. If you call the police on your brother, what do you think would happen to him? Eh? Is he a cult member and armed robber?
Whoa!
Calm down. Onnem, calm down. It's okay.
Want to fight him?
Because don't fight him. Don't.
No, Mama. I'm ready. I'm ready.
No, your brother.
I'm not going inside.
Him. What be done?
If you want to fight, okay, muke.
I mean, how can you? A young lady like you fighting your elder brother? As Penigeti will call him. Look at the phone that was bought for you. You've broken it. You've broken the screen. Eh? Honestly, I'm beginning to think and wonder if your brain really functions. Because this man, this your cha-cha that you're calling all over the place, obviously has worked out on you. He's tired of the relationship. He doesn't know how to tell you, so he has decided to leave. It's obvious. Ojoy, can't you read the writing on the wall, my dear daughter, and walk away?
Talk, love.
If you want to talk, you talk. If you don't want to talk, that's your business.
My Chacha will never do that. He will never run away.
Okay.
If there's something he wants us to talk about, we will sit down and discuss about it. He will never treat me with disrespect. The way your son is treating me.
Your brother. Your brother and elder brother for that matter. Oh, Diego. Your Chacha will not treat you with disrespect. What disrespect, Goni? It's even worse the way he left you. Oh, wait. He asked you to visit. So you went to his house and you didn't find him. You assumed that they have kidnapped him. Shame on you.
I asked people.
Shame on you.
I asked people. They gave me information. They gave me information. Something bad has happened to him.
I know you.
Something bad has happened.
I know how persistent you can be. Did you see it? I'm sure you saw it. Explain it to me. Maybe they're even talking of a different person.
Mama.
Okay, let us pray. Eh? He will come back. Nothing will happen to him.
Chinelo told me that she called him. And when she called him, he asked him to come. When she got here, he didn't see him again. So I don't know.
He called me too as well. I spoke to Chinelo as well too. Okay. And that was 2 days ago. And nothing. Nothing till now.
I've called my relatives, both in the city and in the village. And nobody has heard anything from him. So that is one big problem Charles do have.
he doesn't attend even our own village meetings. He always sends money to us to pay both the levy fees and, he doesn't come around. He always gives excuses with his job. Is he the only banker in this whole world? This is the time now that the community will need to come out and support him. But because he doesn't visit anybody, so everybody's feeling reluctant to come around to help him out. That's a problem.
Okay, sir. So, what can you do? What can you do, sir?
I will speak with our chairman. Immediately I leave here now to know what next we are going to do. Thank God I met you and I came directly to hear from you. At least to, Chinelo is a small girl. So she, I didn't really know what she was saying. It's good that I'm here now to hear from you, okay? So, let's see what we'll do.
Sorry, sir. I don't really understand you.
This thing now involves money. And I don't have any money anywhere. I don't even know how we are going to do this thing right now. To be very honest with you, I don't have money. I don't want anything that will even add to the problem I already have. I don't have money. So, let's see now.
Sir.
I'll be leaving.
Sir.
I will hear from you.
Sir.
Though we go through pains, though we go through trials, and so many hurdles, but love conquers all. I pray it lasts forever. I pray it never ends. Let's stick together, for love conquers all. I pray it lasts forever. It lasts forever. I pray it never ends.
Good day. Who you be?
See your food, take it.
Never mind, I don't want to eat.
Huh? Wait. We didn't talk.
I said I do not want to eat. All I request is for you to tell me why I'm being kept here for some time now. What did I do? What's my offense?
Hey, come. That one I don't go take. Don't try to insult me. Don't try it. What can I do here?
Ross, I am not insulting you. I just want to know my fate. Am I going to be killed? What do you want from me?
Hey, Ross, now that one I don't go take. That question not be for me. It is so. My work here na to dey bring food for you. And as I dey bring the food, make you eat am. She dey wait at the talk. My own na to dey bring food for you here, morning, afternoon, and night.
Chacha, where are you? What happened?
After will you shut up?
Who is this?
Now your father, your papa, idiot.
Please, give the phone back to Charles, please. Charles, the owner of the phone, please.
Question and answer.
Okay. I don't dare say if you don't talk
to me with respect, I will just throw away this phone. With the Chris.
Who are you? What do you want? Please. Is it money? Is it money? How much? What do you want? What do you want, please?
Nobody wants money. We don't need your money. How much this your boyfriend gets safe to give our boss?
See, I don't tell him say make you remove your harm.
For woman we pass her. Woman we passing level. If they want to tell you so, and the message be that.
Hello? Hello, please don't hang up, please.
I found an angel, my type of woman.
Rita, what a pleasant surprise. I have been trying to reach you.
I'm not here for all this pretense.
Excuse me, what is going on?
Why?
Why what?
Why did you do it? Why did you go below your standards? Why? I told you that I needed more time and you agreed. Instead, you went behind me to humiliate me. Look at me. I thought you were better.
Rita, it is very clear that you are mistaken. I do not know what you're talking about. Neither do I appreciate your tone. You'll have to calm down. Talk to me. Okay? Calm down and talk to me so that clearly I can understand what you're talking about. I need to know what happened and how you think that whatever it is that has happened is connected to me. What is it?
You know what's funny?
What's funny?
How you wear this white garment and you behave angelic, but you are the opposite of an angel. You want to sit on your white horse and pretend you don't know that Charles has been missing for 5 days. Charles has been kidnapped. And I've asked my brother. He swore with his late twin brother's life that he was not involved. So it leaves me no option, Don, but to suspect you. Don't look at me. Do I look like a goat that you can own? Don't sit down. I want answers from you. Give me answers.
Rita, sit.
I'm not your slave. You cannot order me around to sit down.
I'm asking you to sit down. You are in my office. Sit! Rita, I want you. Yes, I do. As a matter of fact, I need you as my wife. But it does not call for harming anyone. If I would have to kidnap your so-called fiancé just so that you can accept me. It will then have no value. If I'm not going to marry a woman who I would have to force, intimidate, or manipulate. to love me. I will not do it. And that is why when you asked that I give you time to think about us, and I never bothered you. Rita, I've fallen in love with you. But I have not fallen into stupidity on that account. I did not kidnap your boyfriend. It is beneath me to do that. Rita, look at me. Look at me.
I found an angel, my type of woman.
I didn't do it.
Please come to daddy. I'm waiting for you. For a long time, I am searching for you.
I hear that her name is Stephanie. Who is she?
Ex-girlfriend or fiancée to Charles. A street girl who was involved with some local gangs. She sells and sniffs drugs. After separating with Charles, she traveled to Italy for more hustle. She came back last year, and since she has continued with singing, she has just put off a few games lately.
Okay. Do you happen to know the reason for the kidnapping?
I didn't establish that.
I see.
I didn't want my informant to get suspicious.
I understand that. I'll tell you what to do tomorrow. Whatever happens, I want you to know that that girl, Stephanie,